Hey everybody, welcome to Songbirds Creations Crochet and More. My name is Margaret, and today I'm just going to do a real quick little video of my latest yarn haul from Ice Yarns. Now it's kind of a small haul, so it's not going to be a very long video. Also, I kind of need to look at what yarn I'm pulling out of here, because some of it I'm not going to show to you. I think it's going to be somebody's yarn challenge yarn. So let me get this booger open. And yeah, I'm glad I didn't just dive in and start pulling stuff out right away. So this is the first yarn that I ordered. If I can get it to where the colors will show up good. Let me open it and take one out. Maybe it'll show up better. This is yarn I'm going to use to make one of the layers of Kindness Ponchos. I don't think that it will be the one that I use to make the tutorial video, because it's kind of dark colors and I'm not sure that the stitches would show up all that well. So let me just give you the specs on this yarn, if I can find it. This yarn is called Rosetto, and it is a 3-weight yarn. It is 50 grams, 200 meters. It is a 30% wool, 70% acrylic yarn, but it is so pretty. And then this is the second one that I got, that I am going to do the tutorial for, or with, I should say. And I'm not fond of pink, but I actually like this. This is the absolute same yarn. It's the Rosetto yarn, so it is the 30 wool, 70 acrylic. But look at those colors. That's so pretty. And this will be the one that I do the Layers of Kindness Poncho tutorial with. So if you'll let me know in the comments which one you like better. I think at some point one of these ponchos will be a giveaway. So let me know what you think. Anyway, now that I have the yarn to do my tutorial, I can go ahead and start working on it. So be watching for that soon. As I said, it is called the Layers of Kindness Poncho, and it is a sleeved poncho. And it was the one that I made for Kim over at Fortunate Creations for her birthday. So if you want to see what it looks like ahead of time, you could go over to her channel and look for the video where she does the reveal of that gift. Okay, so at this point I am going to say farewell until we meet again. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, and if you're not subscribed, I hope that you will subscribe and visit me again real soon. If you are one of my subscribers, thank you very much. I appreciate your support. I am up to enough likes or subscribers at this point that I will be able to start doing live streams here very soon, and I'm really looking forward to that. So I hope all of you have a wonderful rest of the day. I hope that you strive to be happy, put love out into the world, and go out and create something wonderful. Talk to you again real soon. Bye.